The first tick on the index in the green right now, so 30 points higher on the Nifty. The Sensex is up about 100 odd points. As we were mentioning, the market breadth is pretty strong actually. More than 1,700 stocks on the advancing side versus less than 300 on declining. You have metal names that are topping the charts this morning. So JSW Steel is up about 1%, biggest Nifty gainer. Hindalco is up 0.7%. Eicher Motors also comes out with its numbers later this week. Ahead of that, the stock is up about 0.5%. Also, auto sales come out today, so we'll keep tracking that closely for you. Eicher, Hero, Tata Motors all in the green right now. Perhaps some relief on auto sales. Bharti Airtel also comes out with its numbers this week, so 0.5% higher on that one. And a couple of others like ICICI Bank also providing some support to the bulls. By the way, the market is now almost veering towards the red line. Maruti is your big loser, down about one. Not a big loser, I mean, it's a 1% cut. But yes, it is in the red, post the numbers as well as the SMG acquisition. Bajaj Auto is down about 0.5%. Power Grid down 3% right now, while ONGC is down over 1%. Couple of other names, M&M, Nestle, SBI Life and Cipla are also trending in the red as we speak. But otherwise, very, very quiet opening. Of course, a lot of result reactions in the broader market.
Well, that's right. So, Power Grid actually is the one that's pulled back on large volumes. So that's one of the biggest losers, down close to around 3% or thereabouts. In the broader markets, well, a couple of stocks deserve special mention. KEI Industries, the growth has been lower than what they appear. So remember when we had Polycab and the likes that came out with a set of numbers, KEI Industries had already rallied. So those numbers go down as disappointing. That stock's under some pressure. Bandhan Bank, the stock's up close to around 2% for starters. On the flip side, you have a couple of losers as well. Oberoi Realty, well, that's down close to around 2.5% in reaction to its numbers. And you have DLF, the promoter looking to sell close to around 0.9%, as my colleague Abhishek told us. So that one is down close to around 1.8%. And as Scott Sonia said, the number's pretty good. But for the time being, at least, it's pulling back a little bit. Remember, the stock has had a big run so far, but it's down close to around 1.5%. Flattish start, maybe closer to around 19,800 odd. Some money being taken off the table after the kind of run that we saw in yesterday's session. So, what else?
Well, I was just looking at Power Grid. That's a clear result disappointment that's playing out. And Power Grid, remember, had a very smart rally. Friday and Monday were big days for Power Grid. And now the numbers have come in and they're really lackluster. The other one is ONGC. The reason ONGC is down is that